Here is the new Booking.com property settings page for Rentals United. It is now available for you to try it out in parallel to our existing solution. In order to see the new Booking.com property settings page, go to Services, Booking.com, Property Settings, and click Try the New Design button in the top right corner. The new page loads. We can now see the completely redesigned property settings page for Booking.com. Here are the most important things you need to know. Each of your Booking.com hotels is a separate cluster. Here are 5 Booking.com properties, hotels connected to Rentals United. You can connect as many properties as you like. Within each Booking.com property cluster live your room types. For each room type, we have the Booking.com room type name, Booking.com room type ID, Rentals United property ID, Rentals United property name, and the connection status. You may cluster multiple Rentals United properties to one Booking.com room type to follow the multi-unit distribution strategy, if you like. You can filter the list by the name, location, IDs, and more. And you can also filter it by the connection status. To manage a connection for a given room type, click Manage link on the right-hand side. Here you can review the connection for all the rate plans for this room type, including the markup and advanced settings. You can also see what was sent to the channel during the last synchronization. Our new Booking.com property settings page allows you to make quick actions that affect your entire portfolio. Click on the Bulk Actions button and select Preferred Action. You can connect all disconnected rate plans or disconnect all connected rate plans with just a click. To add a property to your Booking.com connection, click Add More Properties button at the top and follow the instructions. Here's how you map, and here's how you create a new Booking.com property. When you make changes to your room types or rate plans, you can synchronize them with just one click. The new channel settings page presents all important information about the channel connection. So that is our new Booking.com property settings page. We hope you enjoy more data clarity and better speed when using it.